In front of me is Motorola Moto G82, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers on this device. So let's open IMEI via super quick method. To do it, you need to open your phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *pound or £6. And here you got all device information, so you can locate both IMEI and serial number right here. Tap on OK to exit this panel. And now, if somehow this call is not working and the numbers are not displayed, just go to settings, then find and select about phone, and here you will notice both IMEI numbers, and under model you can read serial number as well. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.